Hi, Meir Ezra here, Israel, and I want to give you a tip about income. So if you want to have income, what you want to do is to set up a target, how much money you want to make. Let's say you want to make $10,000 this month, and then write a plan, a specific sources of income. What are the deals? What are the pipeline? Who you can sell for 3 times. So $30,000 plan. And then once you've done that, you take that plan that you wrote and you break it down to which actions you actually need to do when per week, and you go and do it. And you will see your income will grow. Only one enemy you have. And the enemy is that when you start to go towards that income, there will be all kind of distractions. Facebook, an argument, or any other shiny object. You will not make your income if you take your eyes off that target and that target alone. Before you reach the target, you do nothing else. You're not going for holidays, you're not going to sleep, you're not going to anything. You do that. Now, it's not that you don't sleep, yes, but minimum sleep, like whatever you have to, but otherwise you do the target. So you have the target for the month, and it builds from targets for the week, and you start to make the income for the week. And the best way to achieve the income for the week is to do it at the beginning of the week. Success you bring at the beginning of the period, not at the end. You don't wait for the last second to close. You close at the beginning a lot, and then you increase the closing all the time. So you sell as much as you can, and then you sell more. And do that. You will see your income will change. You will realize just how powerful you are, and nothing can stop you. And if you have any questions, if you need any help, write in the comments. I'll come back to you, and I'll give you more directions. Okay, that's Meir Ezra, Israel. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.